In this video, I want to show you how to turn off auto rotate on your iPhone. To turn off auto rotate on iPhone, very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to swipe down your iPhone. You want to swipe down on your iPhone to check the control center. So let's swipe down. So once you swipe down on your iPhone, it will bring out this control center for you. If you look closely, you're going to see a padlock icon over there. I want you to tap on that padlock icon. So once you tap on that padlock icon, you have successfully turned off auto rotate. Just make sure you turn on this padlock icon so that you are going to turn off the auto rotate on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off auto rotate on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.